Hello and welcome. Hey, I'm getting back into these videos. The thrift store videos I don't think did very well. I just wanted to share that with you anyway. Show you where I can find some deals. Maybe you could too. But anyways, this right here. 76 Caprice. So what I want to do with this, I want to make a cop car. And want to make the Chicago police car. And I think this will make a nice police car. I mean, according to the decals, this is already meant to be a security type vehicle anyway. So I haven't looked at it yet, but wonder if it comes with a trailer. We'll find out. So here's the chrome. It actually looks really clean. The chrome package looks really clean. Looks like it comes with a couple style rims. I wonder where those two are. Huh, interesting. Guess we'll see. Is that part of the siren rolling around in there? Yeah, it might be. Tires. Oh, white walled. White wall tires. I like that. I don't know about you, but I like the white wall tires. Especially when you're doing something like an old cop car. Six tires. They're all white walled. There's 6 of them. That's interesting. There's a little red bubble. Well, I modeled it after the Chicago police car, so they're probably going to use a different style light on top. So it does look like it's supposed to be a one piece, but it looks like it's short right here. Let me take this out. Yeah, it looks like it was short shot right there. Looks like it's supposed to be connected. But it's okay. It's still good here and here. It'll still go in. Ooh, if I don't destroy it first. Body we'll get to in a minute. Rods for the axles. Yes, there's a trailer. That's a bonus. That's a bonus. There's a trailer. I mean, it's a little warped. I'm not sure you can see it in the video, but it's a little warped. But there's a trailer. Actually, let's set it flat. But there's a trailer. I'm excited about that. One piece exhaust and rear axle. Not too thrilled about that. Very cheaply molded, I guess. I wish they were like the old days where everything was separate, or you know. But you know, got to make things cheaper and faster. So I guess. The firewall and the radiator. Again, remember the days when these things were separate. You get the core support, the radiator, the firewalls, they're all separate. Definitely some cleanup to do on this. Not horrible. I mean, I've seen worse. I've seen a lot better. But it's nothing that can't be dealt with. Nothing to get upset about. It's all part of model building. Dashboard. Here's the rest of the trailer. Not sure what that is. Probably mold release or something they sprayed in there. Not sure if you can hear in the background, but you got some thunder going on. Storm rolling through. I like storms. Good thunderstorm is always great. I think it's going to make a nice cop car. I know it's a two-door, but I'm still making it a cop car. The body is pretty clean. It has little bits of dirt here and there. That's why I wash them. That's why I wash these bodies. I wash most any part that's going to have, like, you're going to notice. If you're going to notice a flaw like that, wash it. The bodies, the interiors, undercarriage. So if there's anything to say about this kit, is the tooling was dirty. Here comes that rain. Pull out the decals here, show them to you. a lot of decals in there that can be used for things other than this. Oh yeah, that storm's outside right now. And I want to show you the instructions. So the reason why I like showing the instructions like that when I can is that sometimes people have these kits and don't have the instructions for it, and you can pause it and take full or screenshots or whatever, and you can have the instructions for yourself. But yeah, that's a 1976 Caprice, and I know it's only a two-door, but I'm still going to make it into a cop car. I want to thank you for watching, and have a great day.